Did you know that there are a lot of similarities when you compare the Telos blockchain with a democratic society? Vote and let your voice be heard. Before we set off, please click the subscribe button below the video and follow us on Twitter, @TLOS. A big part of being involved in the community is making sure that your voice is heard. There are multiple voting systems integrated into the Telos blockchain, but today we're going to show you how to vote for validators, also known as block producers. Validators are the ones that keep the chain running. They are an essential component in keeping the chain online 24/7. Validators will not only produce blocks efficiently, they will also add additional value to the Telos blockchain ecosystem. This, for example, can be accomplished by being available to Telos tech and non-tech communities, developing useful dApps and tools, promoting Telos to a wider audience, participating in problem-solving discussions and provide solutions, and dealing with issues in a timely manner. Last week, Telos achieved a milestone producing the 200 millionth block without any downtime. Let that sink in. This monumental fact shows that Telos' voting system works and is the way to go forward, aiming for mainstream adoption. Now let's find out where you can find info on Telos validators and also how to vote for them. But before we start off, if you are new to Telos, please watch our playlist for newcomers first. Click this link to start off correctly. Let's begin. Go to EOS Authority, select Telos, scroll down here, and here you can find a list of Telos validators. And on top you can find your current vote leader. There are 21 elected validators ranked 1 to 21, and elected validators take scheduled turns in producing blocks. This schedule is displayed in this real-time chart. Validators ranked 22 to 42 are on standby. This basically means they are on backup duty, in case something goes wrong, for example. This system is competitive. You can make a difference for new up-and-coming validators by voting for them. These little icons next to the name are links to their websites and socials. Here you can find out what's keeping them busy and learn about their contribution to the Telos blockchain. If you like what you see, vote for them. Now let's find out how we can do just that. There are multiple options to cast your votes, but today we're going to use Anchor Wallet. Go to the Anchor Wallet interface and make sure your wallet is unlocked. Go to Governance. Here you can select up to 30 validators. Now select the validators you want to vote for and select Submit Votes. Sign the transaction. Close. Done, you've just cast your votes. Please take note, each individual TLOS staked in either REX or resources will count as one vote. These votes will be added to the validators you just voted for. If you enjoy our content, please vote for Dutch EOS. Please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, @Dutch EOS. Thank you all for watching and I hope to see you all in the next one.